Hello friend, welcome back to channel. In our previous video, we were working about RPM. We were working on RPM. Okay, as we have shown, RPM is having a problem. It will not resolve your dependencies. So whenever you want to install any package, you have to resolve the dependencies. Like we have shown you like HTTPD, or else we have to use -node apps. But that's the tedious job. What's the solution? So for that we are having yum, yum. So in RHEL 5 and 6, it was not the default package. Now it's the default package of the RPM. So first we'll see /etc yum.repos.d. Here we'll create a file. Redhat repo is there. We'll create rhl7.repo. Okay. There's a repo extension. Then we'll give the name rhl7 and the location of the package file : / where we have copied all the package. Enable equal to 1. Enabled equal to 1. So we have enabled this. Okay. So this is how you can define from where it will pick the packages. This file is local, that's why we are putting the file, and it will come base URL equal to. Okay. So yum clean add yum list. Okay, we get the list. We'll create a repo. Yum create repo and the directory of that package. So it will create a repository. It will create a package bundle. Okay. So which will have all the information of the packages. So it will take some time because it has to take the 4751 packages. I'm pausing this video. Once complete, we'll resume. So now process is completed. Repo has been created. So now what we'll do, yum clean all. Okay, yum list. Our repo should list. Okay. Now we'll try to install some RPM like we have installed HTTPD. Yum install HTTPD. Okay. We'll see dependency will get installed or not. Okay. It is giving some error that problem repository RHEL7. So let's see the file. What's the problem we are having here? Okay, we'll put gpg check equal to 0. We'll not put gpg check here. Yum clean all. Okay, now we'll try to install yum install HTTP. Okay, it's doing the processing. See, now HTTPD was already installed, but devel manual these dependencies was not installed. So earlier it was giving the dependencies was not installed. Using RPM command you have to install the dependency one by one, and then we'll install the package. But yum will resolve all the things for you. So it will prompt, is it okay to install? Yes. D for download, N for no. So I will install this thing. All the package will get installed. See, dependency install packages. These are the dependencies. So this is how yum will work. We'll continue this session for more videos. We'll come on a yum. We'll see how to install, uninstall, create, delete, backup, and all the things using yum. Till then, keep practicing. Create a yum. For yum, nothing you have to do. You have to copy from ISO to local, which we have already discussed. Once it is copied, you have to create a file cat/etc yum.repos.d. In RHEL7 you have to create. File will look like this. I'll put this in a comment box description, and from where you will copy, replace this with your packages where you have copied all the packages. This is the local, that's why we are giving the file // okay. And once this is done, you can do create repo and the location. Once it is done, yum clean all, yum list, You can do yum repo list to show repositories and status. This many packages are available. So this is how it will work. Keep practicing. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.